Good morning, y'all. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, y'all. It's April 15th, and I found another detox drink. Try this for 10 days. It said you'll lose 10 pounds in 10 days. We gonna see. I need passion like fire, fire, fire. Leave it smoking, leave it smoking. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, y'all. Yes, I'm coming to y'all, bonnet and all. I found a new detox drink that we all gonna try for 10 days. It's super easy ingredients. So today is the first day. I'm putting this video out early this morning so to give y'all time to get the ingredients and everything like that. So before we jump into this video, if you are not subscribed to the Nikki Squad, go ahead and subscribe, turn on them post notifications so you'll be notified of any time I post. So I stumbled upon this detox drink, and it was titled Lose 10 Pounds in 10 Days. Now, baby, I don't care if it's 10 pounds of water weight, 10 pounds of pootie tang poo weight. I'm gonna try it. And I was like, girl, why don't you post a video so the family can do this with you? So we gonna jump right into this video. It's about 5:44. I gotta be at work at 7. I need to leave by 6:20. And we just gonna get into this video. So basically, you can drink it 3 times a day before each meal, and you're supposed to drink it 20 minutes before you eat a meal. So I'm gonna make my drink for lunch and then make my one I'm gonna drink at breakfast, before lunch, and then I'll do the one before dinner because I get home early enough. The only thing that might cost a little bit is 100% cranberry juice. So I'm about to show y'all everything, and then we're gonna make the drink. Wanted to give y'all accurate measurements because I know somebody gonna ask, but right now I'm not pushing my stomach out. This is supposed to be like a detox drink, and I believe with detoxing, it's going to, you know, probably make your stomach go down and stuff like that. If I hear Bella, she being disrespectful. So, right now, it said 39. So, y'all know I always show y'all. Y'all know that fupa's still there. And this is a side view. So, we're going to see if this drink is what's up in the world. So, with this drink, you can lose 10 pounds or more in 10 days. And y'all know that normally I try the stuff first and then I come back to y'all. But today, I want y'all to get the stuff with me. And we going to see if this is for real. Because if it is, it's guaranteed. It said guaranteed, but you can either lose. I need that. You can either lose belly fat or, you know, lose weight, one or the other. And like I said, I don't care if it's losing 10 pounds of pootie tang, poo, or, you know, just helping me go to the bathroom, water weight, I'll take it. So let's go. You can use any type of apple cider vinegar you want, but of course, I back and I approve Bragg's apple cider with some mother. As y'all can see, this is almost gone, but when you get it, make sure you shake it up before you use it. I got a measuring cup. It says filtered water, but I ain't got no Brita or nothing like that, so I'm using this purified drinking water. Now, I'm pretty sure they sell this at like Whole Foods, but this is 100% cranberry juice. Now, I've seen Ocean Spray got that, and so Ocean Spray still got a lot of sugar. Baby, this some real cranberry juice, because that says 7 grams of sugar. Now, I ain't never seen none. So, I know this about to be the business, but this was $5. No, $4.49 at Schnucks. But I know they sell it at Whole Foods. And then, I was going to get fresh limes, but they taxing on that. So, I figured I'll get this. This was $2. So, yeah, we're going to get into this drink. And I'm going to drink it 3 times a day. I already know it's probably going to have me going to the bathroom, but that's fine too. But we're going to get this a test, and I want y'all to test this out. Now, we're starting out with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. We have 3/4 cup water. Then we have 1/2 cup of cranberry juice. And again, you can drink this hot, you can drink it cold. For the lunch one, it's probably gonna be cold. But the one I'm drinking this morning is going to be room temperature, and as y'all can see, this is a little bit over, almost 12 ounces. I have not added the lime juice yet, but this is what it's looking like. And y'all, we just gonna try 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Now y'all, that lime juice smells good. But this is what it's looking like. And I'm gonna taste this with y'all because y'all know that's what I do. But I just prepared my breakfast one, and then I'm just gonna pour it in this little thing that keeps stuff hot and warm or whatever. But I'm gonna let y'all know what it tastes like. So I'm gonna pour it in this little cup, and then better yet, I'll drink it right out this thing. Y'all know I don't care. Well, let's see what it's gonna taste like. Let's just say that the apple cider vinegar ain't that bad, but you can still taste it. So this ain't one of that, oh, I'm cute, I'm gonna sip. Take this to the head because, baby, I can tell that's real cranberry juice because ain't no sweetness at all in this. So, yeah, it's nasty. I ain't gonna lie to you, but make this. I'm gonna drink it for before breakfast, 20 minutes before breakfast, 20 minutes before your lunch, and 20 minutes before your dinner. You could do this 1 time a day, 2 times a day, 3 times a day. I'm doing all 3 because I want to get the full effect. I showed y'all my measurements. The last thing I got to do is show me on the scale, and we're going to get to again. But y'all, this is nasty. And I'm not going to lie to you. Don't put no honey in it. Don't put no sugar in it. Just drink it as is. It's nasty. So yeah, y'all, this is the lunch one. As y'all can see, this is a 20-ounce bottle, and it's about half of that. So it's not a lot that you got to drink. But I'm going to tell y'all, if you get that cranberry juice brand I had, ain't a lick of sugar in that. It's disgusting. It's not sweet at all. So that's how I know that's 100% pure cranberry juice. Because Ocean Spray is 100% pure cranberry juice, but still got all that sugar, like 28 grams of sugar. So I'm glad I chose that. But if you can't find the one I got in the video, like I put in this video, get whatever you can close to it. But this is going to be in the refrigerator today. Now, doing this, you got to eat right. You can't eat no trashy foods and expect, you know, the detox. So, this is the one. And then I'm going to drink at lunch. I got to hurry up, y'all. But I just wanted to come here out with this drink recipe. And I'm going to try it for 10 days. And if it work, baby, if anything, it'll clean your colon out. Put it 1, put it 2. So yeah, y'all, that's the stuff for this detox. Today is the 15th. We're going to try for 10 days. As y'all can see, I kind of speeded up my talking because I was supposed to be dressed by now, but I had to get this video out today. I had me a little liquor last night. There's something in this liquor. So I'm trying to detox my system. But other than that, let's get it. Try this detox. Again, you know, if it's probably going to make me go to the bathroom. But I'm going to come back to y'all in 10 days with the new measurements. Oh, I didn't show y'all the scale. So y'all can see I ain't faking with y'all. Yes, I did gain weight back. So that's my starting weight, 244. So here are the ingredients. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 3/4 cup water, 1/2 cup of cranberry juice, and 1 tablespoon of lime juice. So again, you can drink this hot or cold, room temperature. You can drink it once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day. But remember, when you do it before each meal, 20 minutes before each meal. Okay, y'all, so I know y'all like, girl, what happened to the ending of the video? Well, I have to do the ending of the video in my car. So we're going to start this drink today, and we're going to see if it works. Like, if it works, this will be a good way to detox. When I tell y'all that when I say this is a detox, I have did the number 2 Pootie Tang Who 3 times since this morning, and it's about 6:30. So yeah, this is a detox. It cleans your body. That cranberry juice is nasty.com, .org, .net, .edu. But I'm all for, you know, trying to get my body detox. I'm at this light, y'all. So I'm gonna check in with y'all later. Again, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on them notifications. Notification gang. so you'll be notified of any time I post. And again, y'all, let's get it. Summer Body 19, baby.
I need passion like fire.